What color is the universe? Like, for real. Not your phone wallpaper, not a Hubble glam shot. If I could blend all the light in the cosmos into one bucket, what color would I see? Quick myths first. Myth 1. Space is black, end of story. Myth 2. The universe is that deep cosmic blue you see on posters. Myth 3. It's rainbow because stars. Reality check. Most of space looks black because there's just not a lot of photons hitting your eyes. Your night vision kicks in, and our universe is expanding, so ancient light gets stretched out and dimmed. That's Olbers's paradox solved. If the universe were infinite and eternal, the sky would blaze. It's not. It's finite in age and still stretching. The daytime blue? That's Earth's atmosphere scattering sunlight, not space. Astronomers actually calculated the average color of all the starlight in the observable universe. They took spectra from hundreds of thousands of galaxies and mixed them like cosmic paint. The answer? A very pale, creamy beige. They named it cosmic latte. Yep, universe-flavored coffee. Imagine a latte with too much milk, barely tan. That's the average of every star, hot blue giants, cool red dwarfs, all blended. Not pure white, not blue, not red, just a soft off-white. So why doesn't the sky look latte? Because that average is ridiculously faint. If you could stare at the entire sky with superhuman color sensitivity, integrating every photon over time, you'd lean toward that beige. But your eyes can't collect that much light, and almost all of the universe's glow is too dim or too redshifted to see. Speaking of redshift, the brightest uniform glow in the universe is the cosmic microwave background, the afterglow of the Big Bang. Its color temperature is 2.7 Kelvin, which lives in microwaves. To our eyes, that's basically black. If you converted it into visible light for fun, it would map to a deep, dull red. But naturally, we can't see it. Stars do come in colors, blue-white when they're hot, yellow like our sun, orange and red when cooler. Dust can redden starlight, galaxies age and shift, and as the universe evolves, that average latte will slowly drift. Fewer hot blue stars, more mellow red ones. So, myth versus reality. Space looks black to us. The atmosphere makes our sky blue. The Big Bang glow is microwave black. And the average visible color of all the galaxies together? Cosmic latte. Next time someone says space is just dark, you can say, actually it's coffee with too much creamer. Subtle, universal, and kind of delicious. If you learned something new, hit that like button and drop your favorite coffee order in the comments. I might try it while stargazing.